Hi, this is Pamela from Pamicraft. Today we'll be making a stretch cord bracelet. There are two ways to make this stretch cord. One is using a single thick stretch cord and the other is using a thin stretch cord. Today we are using the thin stretch cord. So now you cut about 14 inches long of stretch cord. You double it and pass a small fishing line into it to serve as a needle, as you can see. Then you start inserting the beads and the wheels into the stretch cord using that fishing line. So you insert one bead, one wheel, one bead, one wheel in that order. As you can see in this video, I'm putting a wheel right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a bead. Then the next one is a wheel. Then you pull it into the stretch cord. Can you see? Yes, just like that. Just like this. Then you continue the pattern. So as you can see here, I've done one part. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert more beads and also insert the charm. So this is where you put the charm. It's going to be in the middle. So as you can see, I'm putting the charm now. So after the charm, you put more beads just the way we were putting before. One bead, one wheel in that order. You continue the pattern like that. Just continue the pattern like that. One wheel, one bead, till you get to your desired length. If you are doing 7 inches long, just continue like that. As you can see, I'm putting a wheel now. Yes. So you put more like that and you keep adding more. Keep adding more bead and more wheel until you get to your desired length. Another wheel. Then a bead again. And you put another wheel. So when the wheel is done, you can see I have 2 more beads left. So I'm going to go ahead and put those 2 beads because now I'm ready to tie my beads. You can also count to make sure that you have the number of beads on your stretch cords. So here, now I'm just going to go ahead and tie my beads. Now I have the number of beads that I want on my stretch cord. So you can see how I'm going to tie it. So remember we double it. So you are going to remove that fishing line and then use your hand to open the stretch cord. So from the other hand, you pass this one into this and then you drag it, pull it together, and you can see I'm arranging the beads on my stretch cord so that it doesn't have space later on. So you arrange the beads very well and then you just make sure you pull it very well so that it doesn't slack on time. As you can see, I'm arranging my beads. Yes, so you move it up, move it closer. Can you see the space? So you pull it again, you pull and then you tie the knot. So you can tie the knot like 2 or 3 times. As you can see here, I tied mine like 4 times to have a good stay. And that is all that you have to do. Just keep tying the knot until you are comfortable that you have everything together in one place. As you can see, this is the 3rd knot, and I'm still going to go ahead and make another knot. So this is my fourth knot. Then I'm just going to go ahead now and use scissors to cut the remaining stretch cord off. Yes, so just use scissors to cut it off. Great. So now you have your bracelet. Isn't it beautiful? If you like more of this, leave a comment for me and let me know what you like to see later on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. A lot of things go into this. Thank you as you watch, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video.